Hello, I'm from the binarylogic.com, and in today's video I will be talking about how to verify your card. So I'm making this video after so many days because I realized that card verification is a bit tough because I got rejected so many times to verify my card. So that's why I'm making this video, to make it easier for you guys. Okay, so watch the video until the end. First of all, I would like to inform you that if you do not have any IQ option account, please visit the binarylogic.com/IQ option to create a free account, and then you can buy cryptocurrency and you can trade in digital options, binary options, and any other options. Okay, and please check the description of this video. So after creating the account, if you deposit using your card, you must have to verify your card. Okay. And to verify your card, it's a bit task for the newbie users if you are a very newbie. So please watch this video until the end. Okay, first of all, you need to scan your card, okay, the front page and the back page, and then you need to use your Photoshop. So I will show you practically, and I'm just giving you a brief example how to make your card ready for verification. First of all, you need to scan your card and use your photo editor. Like I will use Photoshop to place my card side by side. Okay, and then you need to obscure CVV code, and you need to make it visible first 6 digit and last 4 digit, and you can blur your middle information of this card. Okay, so make sure your first 6 digit is visible and the last 4 digit is visible in your card, and make sure your CSV code is invisible. Okay, make sure to cover up your CSV code. The next thing is the positioned frontally. You need to position your card frontally. Okay, do not use any angle photo. The next thing, not cropped. Do not crop your photo, just keep the cards at the middle of your document. Do not blur it, make it clearly visible. And the next thing is not obscured. Do not cover your card, just cover the selected places. Okay, just cover some digits and make the first 6 digits visible, last 4 digits visible. Okay, and the maximum size of your file should not exceed 8 MB. Okay, and you can use JPG file or you can use PNG file. So I will show you practically. I have opened my Photoshop, click new, control. Okay, I will show you. Click file and click new. Okay, at first you have to scan your card, then after scanning, click 2000 width and place the height 800 should be fine, 800 pixel, and resolution to 72 is simply fine, or you can simply increase it a bit. Click create. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake here, guys. Okay, click new. The width should be 800, the height should be, the width should be 2000, the height should be 800. Okay, the resolution should be 150. Now create. You can see a very good document to place your card side by side. So now you have to open your file, and I will open my file. Why is that? Well, let's say this is your card. Okay, so I will make it a bit larger for you. Okay, let's make it larger, but do not do that because I'm just showing you how to do that. Okay, so you need to place your card side by side like that. The first one, this one is the front side and this one is the back side, and you have to make your 6 digits visible and then cover, then make the last 4 digits visible for your security purposes, and the CVV code should be invisible. Okay, should be covered, and if your digits are visible here in the back side, you may cover them too. This is how you can prepare your card like that. And please remember, you have to put your signature just before the CVV code because it's very required thing. And once I submitted the card without the signature, they rejected it and suggested me to put my signature here in the white space and then submit it again, and then I got approved. So please put a signature before the CVV code with your pen and then scan the photo. Okay guys, keep it in the middle, cover up your required documents for security purposes, cover up your required informations, and then submit it to the IQ option department, and then they will approve your account as a verified account. This is how you can verify your account, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to visit my website, thebinarylogic.com, and stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye.